recommend seeking assistance from someone that's well versed in your county, as tax codes vary by county. But just from a general standpoint, I would say start by reviewing your assessment notice and first ensure that all the data is correct on the assessment. Did they get your lot size correct or the number of bed and bathrooms reported correctly? Is there any other relevant data on there? Sometimes they'll report how many fireplaces are in the home. Make sure all those items are correct. And if they're not, if there's any data that's incorrect, you probably have grounds to challenge the assessment. Next, I would look to see if I can find recently sold real estate comps in your area. So real estate comps are basically comparable homes to the one that you're in, and you'd like to see what they've sold for more recently. I would say start with trying to identify maybe about 5 of them, and that'll give you a comparative value. Once you've found recently sold homes and you feel like they're in comparison with your home, you would have to figure out if your county has a public database available where you can go and look up the assessments of those homes.